Good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you're at. Today is April 17th, 2026, Friday, and I am so glad it is, because I am ready for the weekend. I have got to run to the post office, as is tradition, because I've sold some stuff. Then I gotta head, grab something to eat, and get on down the road. So let's get this day going. It is a very foggy, cloudy day here in Churchill, Tennessee. It's beautiful out. Just perfect day to take some flower photos or waterfalls. Today would be a great day for that, for sure. I love these days. They are the best. We are skipping McDonald's today. I am in the mood for just an unsweet tea and a biscuit. So I'm going to stop up here at another place and grab that. I'm tired. I'm tired and I feel very monotoned. It's one of those days. We're going to go over here to Bojangles and get us an unsweet tea, because I love their unsweet tea. And we're going to get us, I think, a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit is all I want. They have good biscuits. I do love some Bojangles. Jody does not, because
in a quarter mile, turn right onto Gary Street.
Because Jody doesn't like the smell. Oh, there was a yard sale right below the office that I wanted to hit up before going into work. And I did pretty good there. Spent about $10. Got a ton of little toys for 25 cents, 50 cents a piece. And so got some Thomas the Train stuff, which sells really good. And then I got some knickknacks for the shelves, and even got a transformer for like 50 cents. Like, come on, it's good deals. So heading into work now. Should be there in about 5 minutes. And yeah, got to get this day going. So I will see you all at the end of the day after work. But I'll give you a glimpse of what we got too. So yeah, let's hit the road. Here's a little look. Some Mario Karts for 50 cents. Bag of stuff for $1. Look at that Homer. Jason's gonna love that. Just a bunch of toys. My head is busting, so I'm using some PTO and heading to the house. I am got a major headache. So I'll show you some of the additions from today though. We added this Mario Kart, and that little Toad Mario Kart. And then we added the Hamburglar and Birdie as these little, I don't know what you call them, but they were some Happy Meal toys that goes with a theme over here. So we added them and the extra fry changeable. Those are pretty hard to find, so that was good to have in a grab bag. And then this Bumblebee. And, oh, Kid Cloud Kicker. That's what we added. Also, this little Alf here. Added him. I stopped at this thrift store right below work, literally like half a mile away. Philip told me about this place, so I went in, got a few video games for $3 a piece that I should make right around $100 on, and then a couple rare toys for $2 a piece. I'll show you. Not super rare toys, but they're cool, but they're not common for sure. But very good pickup here. Taking a back road toward the house and just wanted to give you a view of how pretty it is. This is a different back road than I've taken before, so just enjoying the drive. It's a beautiful Friday, why not? Hope y'all went over to Instagram yesterday and today to check out the Polaroids from the last couple of days. Let me know which ones you liked. Trying to see if there's anything interesting too. I have one shot left on my Polaroid camera. And I'm out of film. I'll be out of film. Gotta pick more up. I've never been down this road, so we're gonna take it. Titan's Trail. That's what it's called. Could go to a house, I don't know. Very pretty out here though. Yeah, it does end. I gotta turn around. Well, poop. I thought that was a road to somewhere else. I'm looking for roads I haven't been down before. Just doing a little exploring. Might find something for the Polaroid, I don't know. Head is throbbing. I'm just trying to relax. So, this is my way of relaxing. Beautiful countryside. We got a nice wispy cloud day again today. Started off super foggy this morning, so it rained most of the night. I thought for sure we'd still have rain today. But no, it ended up being really nice. Seen a side road in a while that I feel like would go toward Churchill, toward home. So I've been driving down. Oh, here we go. We got one coming up on the map called Walnut Lane. I'm gonna try that. Seeing the stop signs always a good sign that this road goes on for a while. So 2-lane traffic. Head down this way for a little bit. Ooh, love that tractor and that old car. That was awesome. And the rolling hills over here to the left. Look at that. There we go. That's pretty. That's what I'm talking about. Look how green. It's like the Microsoft screen backdrop, right? A little prettier, I think. And we got somebody's little paradise here. Alright, I know where it dumped us out at. It dumped us out down below this little store I love to go into all the time. Right there goes 81, so I don't know exactly where we're at. Well, we just turned off a road I've never been down before. It is called Hilltop Drive. No idea where this goes. Just gonna explore. See what we find. Hopefully there's a cool church or something. I don't know. See the mountain over on the right. Oh, this one dead ends too. Daggone. Okay. Oh, we can go left. So we'll do. We'll go left. I'm looking at the map as I drive as well. Seeing what I can find. Had to turn around, another dead end. Dead end after dead end. I think I made it to a road that goes for a while now. Lovelace Road is what it's called. Hopefully this one will continue on for a little while. It splits. Loveless Baptist Church to the left. You know what? When you see a sign, we're going to go left. We'll see if we've got a nice little old church up here. Ooh, this property's pretty. Love the cabin style. It's a gorgeous house. Property. Fence and everything. Very nice. Oh, so the church is a little brick church up here on the hill. Yeah. There we go. Oh. A little redbird fluttering across. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Oh. Try to make our way toward Church Hill. Gonna go around this guy. I used my last Polaroid shot. Getting a shot of him in the middle of the road. So we'll see how that comes out. I turned off onto another road called Woolsey Road. We'll see where it goes. Hopefully that Polaroid comes out. That'd be kind of interesting. See how that looks. We'll see. Could be a wasted shot. And for Polaroid, it's about $2.50. Man, I love it back here. It's my first time back here. I could live out here pretty easy. Love the little rocky area. Little hills. And you get some glimpses of the mountains over here. Very nice. I love it. Here you go. Look at the mountain right here. Oh, yeah. I know that mountain. That mountain is where you come from Hawkins County to Greene County. Don't know the name of the mountain, but I know the mountain itself. Very nice. Mountain's very noticeable along I-81. Sits at a truck. There's a truck stop that sits there with an antique store across the street. So I'm heading in the right direction. Oh, this looks good back here. I just took another side road. It'll probably be a dead end. That's my luck. But it looked way too pretty to not go down. Look at this. I used that last... I wish I had another pack of Polaroids, dang it. It is nice out here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I might have to get my normal camera out for this. Hold on. Yeah, I took a picture of that little barn thing. I like that. That was cool. Oh, it's nice out. This is fun. This is my kind of fun. Let's go on, squirrel. Squirrel. Taking his time in the road. Alrighty. We'll see what we can find. We've seen some good stuff though. It's just, I wish I had more Polaroid film. I'm going to have to stock up on some. Order some from Polaroid. Get about a 12 pack or something. 12 pack of 8 packs. Have them stored. Come on, pups. I'm trying. Don't bite my tire. The puppies. Out here guarding the road. I think it's just circling back, to be honest with you. I think that's what it's doing. Oh yeah, this Polaroid came out so good. Oh man, that was a good shot. Love it. I don't think that barn could get much closer to the road here. Hope y'all are enjoying this video. If you like it, give me a subscribe, please. I'm one away from the last I looked from 600, so help me out. The channel is growing. We came out on Nels Robert Road, turning toward Horton Highway. So at least we have a highway coming up. I have a couple people that watch me from New Zealand, and they love the southern part of America. And one of them was telling me they like that Tennessee area. So, hope you're enjoying this video and little cruise along. I try to show off this a lot because this area is very, very pretty. The whole Appalachian region, nothing like it. There's nothing like it. We've got some West Virginia plans coming up soon for some photography, so we'll have some of that as well. Kentucky this summer, West Virginia. We're going to explore, going up a little bit. Alright, we just turned on the Gum Springs Road. I have been on this road before, so we are going the right way toward the house, which is good. Dead animal. Oh, I love this little farm coming up here on the hill. Look at this. I love that. That farm is so pretty. Might grab a shot of this real quick. I grabbed a shot of that. That was very, very pretty. Very rustic Tennessee. Love it. It's the best. Little vulture here. Oh, there he goes. I'm gonna see if he'd let me get up next to him, but he wouldn't. He's just gonna fly on up to the ledge up there. Look how pretty this looks with the flowers going up behind it, right along the road. That was pretty cool. We're following a creek right now along Carl Dykes Road. Oh, squirrel, get on and get. Beautiful little white church here. Look at that. Right here on the hill. This will come out down below Laurel Run Park. I definitely know where I'm at now. Alrighty, y'all, I'm about to the house, so I'm gonna head in, put stuff up, change clothes, get settled in, grab a bite to eat, and I've not had lunch yet, so then I gotta clean, put stuff up, sort stuff, and all that goodness. So I think I'll show you what we picked up at the thrift store, and then we'll call it a day after that. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you here in a little bit. Alright, we are set up here at the house. Been a busy afternoon, and this is everything I have to list today. I've got a bunch of Thomas the Train stuff, this giant shark thing, the Batmans are clean, some games, and our tape fixing stuff to fix our tapes is in. So we gotta fix some of those and get those going. But gotta get all of these listed. So a lot of stuff to do. So that's what I'm gonna be working on for the next little bit. Alright, so we're gonna take these pressure pads, these new ones, and replace them right in here. That is where it's going. You can see this one has came off. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just pull the tape out just barely. Pull that old one off. Put a new one on. That's all you got to do. And then we can have a nice good queen copy to list. We got to do this entire stack. Shouldn't take too long. So that is the goal. And just like that, we have a new pressure pad put on. Now I just got to test it to make sure it works good. Alright, now we're going to test it. And we'll see. Oh yeah, works good. Not trying to get copyrighted. Alright, well we got all of them replaced and listed. Still have stacks of cassette tapes to list and some VHS tapes, but I'm done for the day. I'm tired. I'm also going to go test this tonight. Might play it for a minute. Good game. Really good game. Alrighty, y'all. That's going to do it for me today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Greatly helps me out. It's free. Don't cost nothing. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Bye.